Apart from creating various efficient software for almost all industries of the country, ACNU has now brought well-timed ERP software for garments and textile business. ACNU has Garment ERP to simplify all tasks in the garment industry, which is specifically developed for helping users in the fashion and textile business, providing all the resources needed to run a successful business. Also, our software automatically completes all calculations of garments accurately in a simple process, due to which you can focus on business strategy and get rid of the worries of business operations. Our software has 8 different panels including Super Admin, Admin, Merchandiser, Commercial, Accounts, Production, Buyer and Manager. What modules are there in our software? Order Management, User Management, Inventory Management, Accounts and Banks, Party Management, Perm Management, Loss, Profit, Party Due List, Expense and Income, Reports. Apart from this, there are impressive features like budgeting, costing, sample, shipment, order placement, etc. Besides, after logging into the software, you can see the dashboard where at a glance you can see the total order, cash and bank balance, debit and credit transaction along with weekly, monthly, yearly value and monthly expense. Our software will speed up your garment business operations and reduce costing to make the business profitable. You may also download data backup from your mail with a 99% assurance of data security.